Sergeant Makaraig, Mr. Chair.
Yes, sir.
Totoo ba yung report na yung Vios Green walang plaka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ganon din yung motorsiklo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kanino yung Vios na kotse?
Service po naming mga intel, Your Honor.
Okay, service. Pero kanino nakarehistro yon?
Bali po isa paggamit po ng LGU.
So, sa local government unit.
Yes, sir.
Tanong, bakit walang plaka?
Tinanggal po namin sa Your Honor dahil sa dami na po ng aming nahuli ay kilala na po yung sasakyan namin ng karamihang mga adik, Your Honor.
Yung motorsiklo na walang plaka, kanino yon?
Doon po sa inuulit ni Paces G. Perez na Alpa niya.
Okay, Alpha. RD, Mr. Chair, tama ba na pag nag-operate walang plaka?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. RD, hindi naman po kayo mag-general kung hindi kayo dumaan sa lahat ng mga assignments like operation, intelligence, admin functions. Sa inyo po bang investigation, RD, is it armed encounter or not?
Based on the result of the investigation, dito sa report po nila, it's an armed encounter, but the investigation shows otherwise, Your Honor. That's why nga po nakapag-file tayo ng murder case sa Lucena, and nagkaroon po tayo ng pre-charge investigation sa admin naman, Your Honor.
So, yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. Okay, by the way, balikan ko lang para malinaw, no? Kasi, para malinaw, no? Naintindihan ko naman yung sagot mo, RD. Baka naman di naintindihan ng ating mga kababayan. Para malaman nila yung tama at maling trabaho ng pulis. Armed encounter ba yung insidente o hindi po?
Based po sa investigation, wala pong armed encounter, kaya nga po nakapag-file tayo ng murder case laban dun sa limang police, Your Honor, and nagkaroon po tayo ng pre-charge investigation being conducted by PIAS, Your Honor.
Yan ang maganda sa iyo, RD. Hindi ka konsentidor. Yun ang gusto po nating madinig. Madinig na ating mga kababayan na hindi ka bias. So may kaso na, murder case, itong mga operatiba. Tama po ba, RD?
It was submitted, Your Honor, sa Piskalya yesterday, Your Honor.
So doon sa mga ibang pulis na nakikinig ngayon, huwag ninyong isacrifice yung karir ninyo, huwag ninyong isacrifice ang future ninyo, huwag ninyong isacrifice ang future ng pamilya ninyo. Gawin nyo yung tama. Yung nakasanayan yung mali, talikuran na ninyo. Kasi po dito sa Kongreso, particular dito sa Committee on Public Order and Safety, hindi kayo lulusot. Marami nang na-dismiss. Marami nang nakulong. Pag hindi kayo nagbago, sunod-sunod kayo. Si General ako, pareho kaming retired police. Mahal natin yung PNP. Pero kailangan natin, mas mahalin natin yung ating mga kababayan. Public service. Yun lamang, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.
May I ask the RG? Did I hear it correct na kayo po ay nag-iimbestiga doon sa mga participants sa operation na ito?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
May ano po ang dahilan ninyo? Bakit nyo pinaimbestigahan po sila?
Your Honor, the suspect turned victim may namatay po, Your Honor.
Is it standard operating procedure of the Philippine National Police pag yung biktima ay namatay? Sa bypass operation, nagko-conduct kayo ng investigation?
On the part of IAS, Your Honor, motu proprio po, pag police po ang involved. And as the regional director, it is my obligation, Your Honor, to know the truth surrounding the incident, Your Honor. So I immediately directed the provincial director of Batangas to conduct an investigation, Your Honor.
Tapos na po ba yung investigasyon ng provincial director ng Batangas?
Your Honor, the provincial director is with me. Baka pwede pong siya po yung sumagot, Your Honor.
Bago siya sumagot, RD, sa mga statements mo, parang duda ka rin sa report ng iyong mga opisyal na nag-participate sa operation na ito. Is my intuition correct?
In all the bypass operation, meron pong reported arm encounter, nagpapakandak po kagad ako ng investigation, Your Honor. Hindi lang po ito, but others, Your Honor.
Thank you. The higher authorities of the Philippine National Police in Region 4A know for a fact that the incident happened not within the jurisdiction of the San Juan Police Force, na sila ang involved doon sa alleged encounter. In other words, sinasabi po nyo sa amin, nag-operate po sila sa jurisdiction na hindi kanila.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, Mr. Chair, may I know if we have invited the medical legal officer of the Batangas Police Unit, Police Command? Naimbita ba? Comsec? Yung a certain Police Major Pete C. Malinaw, the medical legal officer of the Batangas PPO, who conducted the autopsy to the cadaver of the suspect. Nandito ba siya? Wala. Now, may I know also if the SOCO, led by Police Senior Master Sergeant Joel Barcelona, is also present? Wala rin. Mr. Chair, may I move that we invite Police Major Pete C. Malinaw and Police Senior Master Sergeant Joel Barcelona in the next hearing para to shed light kung ano po talaga ang nangyari doon sa area na yon.
Sorry, Congressman Acop. There's a motion by Congressman Acop to invite the medical legal. Oh yes,
The
because the SOCO have conducted the also the autopsy.
Yes,
Okay,
medical
so
legal.
all those the query of Congressman Acop, the COMSEC is hereby directed to secure all those documents and invite those people who had been mentioned by Congressman Acop.
Thank you.
It's ordered.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know who is who was the team leader of that operation?
Police Master Sergeant Juan Amparo Macaraig, Your Honor.
Master Sergeant, did you follow or alam mo ba yung manual ninyo sa illegal drug operations?
Yes, Your Honor.
And may I know how many phases are there? If you know. Kasi kung hindi mo masagot yun, basic yun, na dapat 3 phases yung operations na ganito.
5, Your Honor.
5? Could you please enumerate the 5?
Planning po, coordination, surveillance.
Hindi mo alam. Sasagot mo palang iho, hindi mo alam.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Alam mo, hindi ako magtatanong ng tanong na hindi ko alam yung sagot normally.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Ha? Huwag kang magsasabi ng alam mo kung hindi mo alam. Kasi kung nagsisinungaling ka sa maliit na bagay, magsisinungaling ka na sa malalaking bagay. Alam mo ba yung ibig kong sabihin? Tinitesting ko lang kung magsasalita ka ng totoo, iho eh. Di ba? Tinanong ko lang kung alam mo yung proseso ng anti-illegal drug operations. Sabi mo, alam mo. Pero sa unang tanong ko pa lang, bagsak ka na. There are 3 phases, Iho. Yung prior to bypass operation, the bypass operation itself, and the post-operation. Maski tanungin mo yung mga opisyal na nakakaalam nito. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, nasunod mo ba lahat to?
Yes, Your Honor.
Paano mo masusunod yung hindi mo alam? Hindi mo nga alam eh. Paano mo masusunod? Niloloko mo yata ako.
Nagkaroon, sir, kami
Hindi
ng...
mo nga alam yung proseso eh. Tapos sasabihin mo sa akin, sinusunod mo? Master Sergeant, niloloko mo na ako niyan eh. Di ba? Paano mo susundin o susunod sa isang bagay na hindi mo alam? Kindly explain it to me.
I'm sorry po, Your Honor.
No.
I'm sorry po, Your Honor.
Oh. Sinabihan na kita ng una, huwag mo akong bulahin. Kasi, mas matagal ako sa pulis kaysa sa iyo eh. Ew. Now, may I go to Madam Michi? Kayo po ba ang bumaril kay Brian?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Bakit mo siya binaril?
Dahil binaril niya din ako, sir. Your Honor.
Ano?
Binaril niya din po ako, sir.
Ibig mo sabihin siya ang unang bumaril.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin, kung nakikinig ako sa pagsasagot mo kanina, 2 beses siyang pumutok. Di po ba? Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, magkasunod na putok yung pinutok sa iyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
At a distance of 5 meters. Yun ang sinasabi mo kanina.
More or less, Your Honor.
More or less. Sige. So, ang ibig sabihin, hindi asintado si Brian, ikaw asintado dahil sinabi mo kanina, isang putok ka lang, pinatamaan mo sa paa para ma-disable siya. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama? Napakagaling mo, Iha. May I know what kind of firearm you have?
Sir, yung issued firearm po, Glock 17 9mm, sir.
Glock
Glock 17, sir.
Glock 17. 9mm. Ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. How many times do you practice shooting that firearm?
Sir, kakatapos ko lang, sir,
Hindi yun ang tanong ko. Hindi ko tinatanong sa iyo, Iha, kung kailan. Ang tinatanong ko, ilang beses kang nagpa-practice na magpaputok ng firearm mo na yan?
Madami po. Ano, sir, mga once a month, sir.
Once a month. Kasi, yun ang SOP. Matanong ko nga, RD, yun ba yung SOP ninyo? Na members of the police force will fire their firearms once a month?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, Iha. Kasi alam ko naman na kasi yung mga security ko, Iha, police din eh. Eh sila nire-require ng kanilang opisina na mag-report sa opisina para iputok nila mag-practice na bumaril. Alam ko yun. Kasi for you to be able to make sure na tamaan mo sa paa ay isang tao, hindi po ako naniniwala dahil shooter din ako, Iha eh. Hindi mo ako mapaniwala doon. Naputukan ka ng 2 beses, kaya mo pang putukan sa paa, precisely on the leg, yung biktima. Di ba? Kasi sinabi mo, una siyang pumutok eh. Ang unang instinct ng tao ay mag-cover at pumutok. Kaya Iha, sa mga statement mo, hindi mo ako mapaniwala. So, Mr. Chair, I think the investigation conducted by the provincial director of the province of Bulacan ay medyo kompleto.
Batangas.
Batangas.
Yes.
Ay kompleto. Tinignan niya lahat yung mga violations na na ginawa nung team na nag-operate.
And we have to commend the provincial
I agree.
director and the of Batangas and also regional director General Lucas for
Kasi-
a job well done. Sige, go ahead.
Ang pinakamasaklap nito bakit sila nag-operate doon sa hindi nila jurisdiction?
Exactly.
And the mayor, I think the statement or the investigation of the provincial director of Batangas is that inireport pa nila na doon sa Batangas, San Juan, Batangas nangyari. Doon pa lang sa mga report nila, Mr. Chair, ay talagang binibitin na nila yung mga sarili nila My interpellation will continue
Yes.
in the next hearing, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po, Chairman Acop. Before we proceed and before I recognize Congressman Paduano, the Chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Bienvenido Abante. Meron kaming susunod na hearing dito yung amin pong excess debts. Kaya siguro
Kaya
5
nga,
minutes na lang po tayo, but we will be
yung,
inviting over again
medical
all these people who are involved. Ang tanong ko lamang kasi, dito sa affidavit nung si Adrian Dimalig Laresma, na matapos na mabaril ang aking kapatid na si Brian ay hinila ng mga operatiba na sakay sa pulang kotse upang ipasok sa loob ng nasabing sasakyan. Na pagkapasok ng aking kapatid na nasabing sasakyan ay pilit akong pinaalis ng mga operatiba sa lugar ng pinangyarihan ng insidente at dahil sa takot ako'y umalis na at patungo sa di kalayuan ng insidente doon sa Barangay del Rosario, Chaong. So nangyari sa Chaong. So hinila niyo yung katawan ng tao, isinakay niyo sa sasakyan, inilipat niyo na San Juan para hindi na kayo magko-coordinate doon sa Chaong Municipal Station. Is this correct assumption? Makaraig.
No, Your Honor.
So mali ako. Mali kami sa mga binabasa namin ngayon, ng mga affidavit lahat and even the report of the provincial director and regional director. Mali kami lahat. Kayo tama. Ganun ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So kami nagsisinungaling, hindi kayo nagsisinungaling. Makaraig. So nagsisinungaling kami mga members of this committee. Can you reply to me directly? Nagsisinungaling kami.
No, Your Honor.
Oh. So hindi kami nagsisinungaling. So tama kami. Makaraig. So tama kami. Kayo mali. Okay. So I will not be laboring on that issue anymore. I'm just wanted to clarify on this hearing that the reason why we put back this resolution of Congressman Acop is dumadami na naman po report ng bypass operation sa amin. So before we end, last word from Congressman series of question. Nakakaya na yung yung susunod na And we will be tackling also the issue of sige, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. RD, tsaka PD. May paraffin result ba? Nakunan ba ng paraffin result yung
Sir, meron na po.
Iron? So, anong resulta ng paraffin result?
Negative po pareho, Your Honor.
Negative pareho. O di, ayun. Napakagaling mong bumaril, binaril ka. Perez ba? Perez. Pero nung lumabas yung paraffin result, paraffin test, negative. O saan ngayon ang pagpuputok ng biktima? Ito pa. Sabi mo kanina, 5 meters. 5 meters, ha? 5 meters. Mr. Laresma. Sino bang unang dumating, ikaw o yung kapatid mo sa lugar?
Una po yung kapatid ko po.
Okay. Pagdating naunang kapatid mo, so pagdating mo, nandun na yung kapatid mo.
Opo.
Okay. Pagdating mo, nandun na ba yung mga pulis?
Halos sabay-sabay po kami. Dalawang kotse po sila eh. Parang kanina.
Halos sabay.
Opo.
Okay.
Sabay.
So si Perez kanina is claiming na may nangyaring buy bust. Ano ba nakita mo? Nag-usap muna sila ni Perez o
Wala po ako nakita po. Sabay-sabay po kami dumating. Tapos po,
Tapos?
bigla po siyang bumaba ng kotse. Sabay binaril na po yung kapatid ko.
kotse, di motor?
Hindi po. Wala po ako nakitang motor kundi po yung sa akin tsaka yung sa kapatid ko.
Oh, wala palang motor, kotse daw.
Dalawang kotse po sila.
Perez. Sabi mo kanina may motor ka. Perez, tinatanong kita.
Yes, Your
sir,
Honor.
excuse Mr. Chairman, may I ask that lady at your back?
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yes, Congressman Paduano. What about that lady?
Good afternoon.
Sing.
Good afternoon, sir. Your Honor. Good afternoon, Chairperson, and to the members. I approached the Secretariat a while ago and introduced my name. I am Attorney Rotzi Laurino Bermejo, and I will tell them that I will be sitting at the back, sir. So I'm just asking Michi to answer you, sir, because apparently...
No, but you cannot coach. You know?
I didn't coach, sir. I didn't.
Oh, why you are telling them her to answer me?
I asked her to meet, please,
Now,
answer.
what is your personality in this hearing?
Oh, no, sir, I just asked her to answer you.
No, I ask you, what is your personality in this hearing?
I don't have, sir. That's why I asked
So you don't have?
permission. Yes, sir.
So you don't have business here?
I assist the San Juan Police Station.
Oh, you assist. You're the
Yes.
council.
Yeah, yes, sir, I assist.
Oh,
them
you should
today.
present yourself in this committee, not hiding at the back. Second, let me remind you, attorney, if the chairman will not allow you to give advices to your clients, you cannot.
Yes, sir, I understand, sir.
You understand, but you never tell us that you go.
I went
No,
to
in
the
this committee,
secretariat.
not in the secretariat.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, sir.
Were you invited by this committee to be present on today's hearing?
No, sir, I was
Oh,
not.
Why are you here? Who invited you over?
The San Juan Police Station, sir.
No.
Who hired you to be a part of their team?
It was the police station of San Juan.
Police station, because the police station is being
sorry, hold on.
represented by the new chief of police,
Sir,
Hindi siya.
Sir Lingan and the rest.
So you were hired by Colonel Tai Layag to be his personal counsel.
Yes, sir, I was
But
requested,
you
Mr. Chair.
did not inform the committee or the COMSEC about your presence on today's hearing.
I informed the secretariat a while ago, sir.
Who among us?
Over there.
Na-inform ba kayo?
I am so sorry, but I informed them a while
Ngayon lang.
ago.
Oh.
Ma'am, yes, sir, sorry.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, but nevertheless, please, if you whisper or say something on those invited resource speakers, you ask the permission of the chair.
I advise.
Otherwise, in the next time, we will putting you outside of this committee hearing. Okay? Go ahead,
I
Congressman.
understand perfectly, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, attorney.
Thank you, sir, sorry.
Perez, ayun. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes, sir.
O, anong yes, sir?
May motor, sir.
May motor. Now you still stand na may motor.
Yes, sir.
Kanino motor yun?
Sa Alpa, sir.
Sa Alpa mo. And you will not tell this committee your Alpa.
Sir?
You will not tell this committee who is your Alpa. Tama?
Yes, sir, I can
Okay.
tell, sir.
Pupunta natin yan sa next hearing. Kasi tatagal tayo dyan. Anyway, ganito. Sa statement mo kanina, sabi mo, na-consummate yung bypass. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes po.
Okay. So, nagbigayan.
Yes, sir.
Mark money item. Tama? O ba't pinatukan mo yung subject?
Sir, mas nauna niya po akong pinatok.
Hindi nga, ang tanong nga, ba't puputukan ka ng subject? Na-consummate yung bypass eh. Kung nagdududa sa'yo, yung subject nyo, dapat hindi na-consummate yung bypass, nagkabarila na. Oh, di ba? And, alam mo, Perez, hindi ako investigador, si chairman na ako pa investigador, pero nakakaintindi rin ako konti sa investigasyon. Tsaka, chairman, tingnan mo Sinasabi niya kanina, mas mabuti sana sinabi mo na hindi na-consummate. Kasi kung na-consummate, walang reason na paputukan ka ng subject. Second, kung na-consummate yung bypass, hindi kayo magkalayo nun. At saka nagkaputukan. Kasi, paano makonsummate ang isang bagay kung 5 meters yung distance nyo? Magbibigayan ba kayo in 5 meters? O ilagay mo dyan, yung pera, ilagay ko dito yung items. Ganon ba? Hindi. In short, kung na-consummate yung transaction, kadikit mo yun. At the very least, yung distance nyo is only 1 meter. Not 5 meters. Oh,
Congressman Paduano, if I may. Medyo late na po tayo sa susunod na issue. I promise you.
Last na, Chairman, ito manifestation
In the
na lang.
next hearing, you will be the first to ask
Hindi,
questions.
manifestation lang, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, go
Hindi
ahead.
ako magtatanong. Anyway, Perez, sa mga pulis, alam nyo, hindi pa tayo tapos. No? In the next hearing, baka madagdag kayo dyan. Saka alam ni RD yung record ko, As a private citizen, as a congressman, alam ni RD kung paano ko sumuporta sa pulis. Pag tama kayo, titindigan kayo dito sa Congress. Pero pag mali kayo, pasensyahan tayo dito. Sa ngayon pa lang, alam ko nagsisinungaling ka, Perez. And I have to ask again, yung mga kasamaan mo dyan, pati yung investigador nyo. Kasi 5 lang naman kayo, di ba? Nag-operate?
Yes,
Tama?
sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Chairman, I will reserve my question.
Yes,
in the
okay.
next hearing.
Thank you so much,
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano. And let this be a reminder to all our members of the organization. Medyo mabigat po itong ating mga kinalalagyan. Nakakaawa po yung mga matitinong mga pulis na dadamay po sila. But we have to do this. We have to do this to cleanse the structure of our PNP. Last na tanong ko na to bago tapusin. Kasi kanina nalaman natin 7 PM lang dumating yung PIDEA report. Tapos 6:45 nag-operate na kayo. No firearm, no na nakalagay sa initial report yung 38 caliber, wala. Tapos no coordination with the Chaong Police Station. So, have you done this on your own? Ano na lang, I know Colonel wala ka doon, no? Chief, wala ka doon, no? Wala ka sa area, di ba?
After the operation po ako dumating, sir.
Saka ka dumating. Yung si Makaraig, may nag-utos ba sa inyo para patayin yung taong yun?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Talagang hindi nyo sinet up to?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Sige.